What's up guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to be working on my 2010 Lincoln Navigator once again. This qualifies between the 2007 I believe to like 2015, 14, 15 Navigators with this dual zone ACs. And what happens with them, you look in here, it doesn't matter how much I put it up or how much I lower it, it's just stuck on the highest settings. If I try to turn it off, it gets even stronger for some reason. Putting it back on with the AC on, it reduces a little bit, but it's still on the highest setting and you still cannot lower it or raise it. So we're gonna try to fix it right now. And to fix it, we're gonna use this AC blower temperature control resist module, I believe it's called, something like this. I may leave a link in the description below to the one I bought. This is not the OEM one, this is like one of the cheapest ones, because I'm still not 100% sure if this is the issue or not. So I've got the cheapest one. They're like less than $20. I believe it was like $20 after taxes and free shipping on eBay. The OEM one is over 100 bucks or around $100. So I'm gonna give this a try. We're gonna show you where it is located. It's in behind the glove box. We're gonna remove the glove box and I'm gonna show you how to replace it. It's super easy. Okay, so first thing I did, I undid the tray from underneath here. My clips were already missing, so I had a zip tie put on here. So I just got the zip tie, but you will most likely have a clip going through here. I put it down. Second thing, you probably want to empty out your glove box because everything's gonna fly out anyway, so might as well empty it out. And all you do is just pull on one side, pull on the other, and you have those clips on each side who just hook in there to hold the glove box, and that's it. Then the glove box hangs down and your control unit is right here. So the reason why I wanted to have a space from the bottom is so I can come here and unclip the clip, as well as remove the 5/16 nut or bolt right here. There's a second 5/16 in the back. Essentially this is the front one that you see right here, and then this is the hidden one from the back that you will have to get to it. You kind of have to go by feel, but it's not very hard, especially if you remove the bottom part. You can actually get to it. And yeah, let's remove it. I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I removed two of those screws, the 5/16s, as I said. I used a little Harbor Freight Pittsburgh ratchet with no extension. Actually, I didn't need any extension, but the swivel head does help a bit. And the front one, just you go from here and you crank it from here. The back one, you want to put the ratchet from the bottom, and you have way more space working from the bottom. It will be almost not impossible, but very hard, much harder to do it from the front. And as this, all it happens, you just slide it out. You can put the glove box back in. These on one side, and this is where you can see, and definitely not the best condition. We're going to unplug this plug, which you have to lift up. I'll show you on the new one. You have a little tab right here that you want to clear, so the old one slides out and the new one slides in. And for this, I'm gonna use a little flathead screwdriver to get in there, just to pop it off. Hopefully you can see the clip right in there. So use just a small flathead like this to pry the little clip in there, and this thing popped right out. And now we can compare the old one to the new one. So obviously this is a, I believe, original Ford Motor Company unit with the made in Mexico and all the numbers and everything. Obviously the cheapest Chinese ones doesn't have anything written on it. I don't even see any part numbers or anything on it, but that's fine because it looks identical, except for this one is very dirty and it looks corroded. Not corroded, but oxidized a bit. And the new one seems perfect. So let's drop it in really quickly and we're gonna test it out. Okay, so I figured out why I couldn't plug it in. So I guess that's what you get when you buy the cheapest ones. So I already got in the new unit, but essentially all 4 of those pins were bent up, so the plug wasn't able to get in there, so I had to just bend all 4 of those pins down a little bit, and it plugged right in. But one other thing which you get for buying the cheapest product probably, so this goes in like this, and you'll be saved the 2 screws. I've put in the 2 screws, and the plastic already cracked. If you see it right there, it's this plastic. Just by screwing it in, I didn't even tighten it very hard, and it just snapped. But it seems like the whole unit is in, so let's test it out and see if it fixed the problem. Okay, so the moment of truth. So it's on the highest setting as we left it, and let's see if we can reduce it. Beautiful. So we did fix the issue, and there's the AC. We can completely turn it off. Perfect. There's the AC. Turn off the AC. All right, so everything works. Nice. So just as this, for $20, you can fix it instead of buying the OEM part. Just make sure you don't not even tight it too hard, just barely even tight it to make sure the plastic doesn't crack. And you might have to bend the pins so they actually, plug into the new sensor or to the wiring harness. And to put it all back together is obviously you just bend this in. You might want to use 2 hands. If you use 2 hands, this goes in way smoother. There we go. Obviously this has to be put back in, but just like this, everything works. And I hope it was helpful. So if it was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if it helped you or not. Also, I will leave a list of cars, because it's not just for the Navigator, it's for like the Expeditions, I believe they're called, F-150s from the era, and probably other Lincolns. So I will try to put a list of models that this fix compares to. All right, stay tuned and have a good one.